Hi, Johnny Ray. There's a baby on the screen.
You're on the swing.
It's a baby.
Baby swinging. The swinging baby.
Johnny Ray.
Johnny Ray's first restaurant food. Macaroni and cheese. Yeah, you know you're on camera. Feed on it.
Feed. Mr. Johnny Ray's watching himself.
This is the first food I've ever had from a restaurant. It's the first food.
Mr. Johnny Ray watches himself on TV. He's a famous baby. Look at that famous baby on the TV. Look at that little famous baby on the floor watching.
And you'll feed on